think it might be bugged.
Hello Lily, how are you?
I'm just entering the
Who say hello, Lily?
Me 10-15.
You are not ready, bro.
SHP. SHP, leave
Hello
the
Lily,
bar
how are
outside.
you?
Don't shoot in the HQ.
Me this
Look
10-15.
at
Ah,
that guy.
Forgot
who's
me?
this?
Veer.
10:15 is calling you. You are too much famous,
Ah bro.
I don't know who that guy is. So.
Bro, do you remember Didi?
Processing
Didi
fast, man.
करने
Why
का
you keeping him illegal?
मादर भूसड़ी की बात तो कर देता.
Guys, the demands are given to the purple guy. You guys can shoot him.
They are
नहीं
shooting inside.
प्रमोशन नहीं
Oh
देते
wow.
बहन के रोड़े.
They are shooting.
I
Don't
don't know.
don't
Search
shoot
for
at
प्रमोशन
me.
ही
search
नहीं देते
all
गाँव
the
वाले यार, तू इसी
parameters.
गाँव मत बोल.
Don't shoot outside the parameter, hey guys.
SHP, make sure you're not shooting on the purple guy. That's
अरे यार गवर्नमेंट ही
हाँ,
हो
they
गया
are
मैं.
acting
तो
their
चल मेरे
mental
तो
side.
अरेस्ट कर यार जल्दी, मेरे को टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास.
I saw some of our
नहीं तो
officers
छोड़
are
दे मेरे
shooting
को,
on
दोनों
the
से काम कर. मैं 100 के दिन को तैयार हूँ.
Don't go on the edges,
I need
man. Come
backup.
back.
I need backup. I need backup.
Where?
हाँ चलेगा, चल यार जल्दी अरेस्ट कर, टाइम नहीं है. मम्मी पीछे से गालियाँ मार रही है.
We only have 25 minutes after cuffing you.
I need backup, guys. I need backup.
Coming.
Come local. Everyone come local. I need backup here. Every SHP need come to the local ASAP.
Why private? Why cannot have state attorney? Why private? Why private? First tell me that.
I am saying you are right.
They are on the roof. They are on the roof. Hide. Make sure.
Push.
What proof that government will provide me free attorney?
Okay, I'm gonna read it out again. You have right to remain silent. Anything you
अरे understand it. Shut up, understand it. कितना बोलता है भाई? Oh fuck.
Guys, you are on the edges. Be careful before shooting.
They were on the edges, man.
अरे
Off everyone.
भाई जो
I need one
करना
guy
है
with
कर ले
me.
यार.
Gun
गवर्नमेंट
at
की हूँ
the
मैं.
gun at
मेरे
the
छोड़.
10-15.
क्या बोल मेरे को? छोड़ जल्दी, अरेस्ट कर मेरे को जल्दी. तेरा बैच नंबर बोल.
You don't leave the
Yo,
gate
guys.
yourself. Leave
I
it.
need one guy with me, man.
बैच नंबर बोल तेरा. बैच नंबर.
Anyone at the local of
Why, bro? The process is when you are dying, then also you can tell me your identity, bro. Ah, bro. Why, bro? Scared. Identify yourself in here only. Identify yourself. No. This is only safe place, bro.
Veer, come up, Veer, come up.
Identify yourself here. I don't want to go to DOC. Just identify yourself here. Otherwise, you don't know the process to just arrest anybody. अरे bro, तू भाई मेरे को अरेस्ट कर. तू दे यार. तू तेरे से क्या ही मुँह लगाऊं मैं. तेरा आईडी, तेरा बैच नंबर बोल.
everyone to attend 19 and leave the gate.
नाम बता. छोड़ आईडी दिखा दियो यार.
Drop, you are not audible.
Sorry. What you are saying?
Bad dreams.
Hey. Bro, wait, stop, bro. Call EMS. I want EMS. There are this cramp on my right hand. Your guys tightened my hands too much. My hand is really tight at the moment and I am getting cramps. So I need EMS.
Copy.
Yeah, sure. Call them, boss. To department.
bad dream.
By the way, who is your leader at the moment? SHP, who is your leader?
These are not the questions which are answerable to you.
What the fuck, चूते? पागल है क्या भोसड़ी है थोड़ा सा लीडर पूछ रहा हूँ.
Okay, sir.
लवड़े.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna take you out of the car. Please watch your head.
Call EMS.
Okay, I'm gonna drag you by my arms. Okay.
Okay, easy peasy, easy go.
What kind of what do you think? If easy go, you can go.
Peasy, bro.
You can go on the outside.
Hey, I want EMS. What you doing?
I'm gonna leave you by my arm. Okay. You will be getting EMS. Okay. When I will do your arrest, I'm gonna take you to the hospital side and.
Before arrest, you have to do that. Dumbass.
Okay. You need okay. Let me give you the medical assistance. Okay.
Nah, I don't want, bro. I got cramp, bro. You are not any surgeon or something. I need EMS.
Okay. I'm gonna do a department.
Do it fast.
The guy saying it is okay to cuff drop my.
If I give you medical attention and this is enough.
No, that is not. This guy just cuffed my hands too tight,
Bro,
bro.
but
I'm
you are
getting.
fit and fine.
Shut-
I you are
Shut
fit and fine.
Shut up.
Huh? What? Shut up. You baby boy.
SHP, yo. Shut up. FIB now go do your undercover.
काश भी होगा भी.
FIB,
Yeah, bro.
We can just give him medical attention, like and after that.
Nah, bro, I want EMS. Otherwise, I'm going to DJ.
Yeah, you just do a department. If EMS free, you just provide him EMS.
Yeah.
If EMS is busy, then put him in jail.
Yeah.
But I see he is a fine and fit. But why he need EMS?
Nah.
I don't know.
Now.
Bro, I'm not fit, bro. They are just, bro, I'm.
So time has
Why
been
is your
spent.
No. I didn't ask for DOJ first of all. Okay, give me body cam. Now call DOJ. Now call DOJ. False allegation, bro. I said otherwise I will go to DOJ. Otherwise, okay.
Yeah, go for DOJ.
Call DOJ now. Call DOJ now. Now I'm talking.
DOJ not available right now.
FIB. तू जाना लौड़े तेरा क्या काम है बैठ के लौड़े.
Easy go.
Bro, FIB.
No go easy, bro. No go easy.
Easy go.
Easy go on him.
अरे चलेगा भाई नहीं है गवर्नमेंट इजी बोल रहा हूँ मैं प्रमोशन नहीं देते.
See you on the vacation. Bye.
Sure. Bye. चले मिलेंगे FIB जल्दी.
I did that department for you, okay?
Yeah, you show can flash your ID.
Yeah, I'm gonna flash my ID in front of your eyes.
Yeah, flash. Everyone here, flash.
Why everyone? I'm the arresting officer. You can ask the ID for me.
Why? I can ask.
Okay.
Okay, no worries. You're declining?
No, I'm
Okay,
not
you cannot,
declining.
but you're on duty, guys.
I'm not declining.
Everyone here. I want everyone's ID.
Okay. Now I'm gonna
But you are not a good citizen, so you just ask for a arresting officer.
Identity.
SHP,
Identity, yeah. Okay, no worries. Declining. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, tell me.
This just try to spend his time. You just follow his command, okay? So just process him. He tried to spend his time
Yeah.
for we have only 25 minutes.
No, he's asked for the DOJ, no?
No, I didn't ask for
No,
DOJ.
his time is over. His time is over.
Time is
He
over.
can't
Handcuff me.
DOJ.
Handcuff me. Time
you
is
check?
over.
Hey,
Time is
what?
not over.
What? What?
Good
Time is
check
over?
loud and
25
clear.
minutes done. 25 minutes done. 25. 15
Please, you
minutes.
wanna
Bro,
give
अच्छा ठीक
if
है.
with
you
the
have
lobby.
any problem,
11,
if you have any problem, go for the government.
Yeah.
Yes, go for the
अरे
government.
यार क्या चमनगिरी चल रही है. I don't want DOJ first of all. I don't
No,
want DOJ.
you
I'm
asked for
declining
the
you and
DOJ.
I
You
want EMS.
asked for the DOJ, so
Bro,
I
your
am giving
DOJ
the
time is
option.
over.
अरे I didn't even ask for DOJ motherfuckers. I'm asking for EMS.
No, I
Eh,
have body
sure.
cam.
क्या नो नो भोसड़ी के 10-15 में हो या तू है चूतिए.
Okay, nice.
10-15 हूँ मैं. बोल रहा है मैं DOJ ला रहा हूँ. मैं DOJ ला रहा हूँ. पागल है क्या थोड़ा सा? चमन EMS बोला चुपचाप.
First of all, speak nicely, okay?
Bro,
Bro.
no worries, no
अरे
worries.
भाई
Go for it.
ब्रो दिमाग खराब कर रहे हो भाई तुम लोग. मैं बोल रहा हूँ EMS चाहिए. DOJ क्यों बुला रहे हो?
Bro, you say you need DOJ, you say you need EMS.
अरे
Hey,
भाई
what is?
पहली बात तो ये देख ले. ये बंदा
I
डिक्लाइन
have
कैसे
a
करेंगे?
body cam.
ए
Listen.
चुप.
FIB, I have a body
No
cam. I
worries.
asked for the
You,
DOJ.
yeah.
Okay, what did I say? Tell me. I didn't ask for DOJ first of all, okay? And
Bro,
fine,
bro.
okay, 5
SHP,
minutes done, okay?
go
Wait,
ahead,
wait,
go
wait,
ahead,
wait.
inside.
SHP responded,
Okay, I'm gonna
DOJ
take my house.
responded.
Shut up.
Easy go, bro. Call EMS. I want EMS. Bro, I want EMS. अच्छा, when did you do first department?
Isn't this guy's mic hurting your ears?
It is, cause I am a tenant. I want medical assistance.
Bro, process him. EMS busy, EMS busy. Process him.
Okay.
SHP, his time is going. Process him.
Yeah.
You don't have enough time. You just provide him after put in jail, then you can provide EMS. No worries.
We can
Go.
do that, right?
Process
We can
him.
do that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me do the department. And
Put him in jail,
I'm
put him in
gonna
jail.
process him and then.
Yeah. If EMS come, then you just provide him as a medical attention. You have permission to do that. Go. He tried to spend his time.
No, he already asked for the DOJ, so his time has been stopped. It's in my body cam.
Arey no, I didn't ask for DOJ. Last time I'm saying you this.
Bro, process him. What I am say. EMS is coming, no
Okay.
problem. If you provide him
Bro.
in the jail, no worries. Just put
Bro,
him
what
first.
first?
Okay. Come to this
भाई
side.
नहीं तेरी एडमिन रैंक है ना. नाम बदल दियो मेरा. अलोन एक्सेस नाम है मेरा. याद रखियो भोसड़ी के तू.
Okay.
असिस्टेंट है ना. देख लियो. कल नहीं तेरे चीफ ऑफ
Bro,
बनाया ना. नाम बदल दियो
Bro,
भोसड़ी
you
के
know you
मेरा.
are going for the vacation.
ए चलना.
FIB.
Bro, you go on the vacation. No worries. You don't say. Don't say.
FIB, can you give me a minute? Can you come out?
Tell me
FIB,
your
can you give
jumpsuit
me a
size.
minute?
Tell me your jumpsuit size.
A debt
Okay, I'm
debt
getting a
collector
free size
there came.
jumpsuit for you.
He falls.
What? Repeat.
Tell
He
me
pays.
your jumpsuit size.
Bro, you're not audible, bro.
Castry ma'am, how copy?
EMS.
You're not audible.
I am saying, what's your jumpsuit size?
You guys, can anybody hear him? I'm having some issues, I think so.
What's your jumpsuit size? What's your jumpsuit size? King, I am audible. King, hey, officer, I am audible. Okay, wait. If you wanna play this.
My jumpsuit size, triple XL. Bro, EMS, when it is gonna come?
Bro, it's 25 minutes and now changed to 10 minutes because he's calling for EMS.
What? Huh? What?
Your time, we have come to you and now your time has been increased because you're calling of EMS.
Okay, I'm gonna drag you by my arm. Open the door.
Okay. Easy go, bro. Easy go. Didn't say I'm gonna tag you. Easy go. Easy go.
Yeah, open the gate, officer. Open the gate.
And you, first of all, EMS haven't even come. So, what 10 minutes stopped? Can you tell me?
I'm gonna leave you. Already asked for the DOJ. There is no DOJ.
Guys, 25 minutes done. 25 minutes done.
You already asked for the EMS.
Faster kar, 25 minutes done.
No, it's not done. 1 minute is still left, okay?
Bro, 25 minutes are done, bro.
You got 15:11, okay? So it's
Bro, hello.
6 minutes are still left. Okay, I have confiscated your items. Okay, I'm going to search for your information from the back pocket. Turn around.
Ask me passport.
No, I'm gonna search.
No,
You don't have anything.
not comfortable. Bro, first of all, 25 minutes are done.
Okay, I'm gonna.
25 minutes are done.
Cuff you. Show me your
Hey,
passport.
25 minutes are done.
You already going on vacation. Show me your passport.
25 minutes are
Show me
done.
your passport. 6 minutes are left.
25 minutes are done.
Okay, failure to comply. I'm gonna cuff you again. Okay, now battery.
Fuck, sorry, wrong person.
Non-lethal battery on
Wrong
you
person.
also. Non-lethal battery.
Yeah,
on
okay,
you.
no worries. Even I have your body. I'm done 3
I'm
times
gonna
power
cuff you
gaming,
again.
running while dragging.
Yeah, it's fine. You can do whatever you want. Okay.
That's sure, no worries. But 25 minutes done, na? Bro,
You already
Why you're
asked,
co-
you
wha-
already asked for the EMS, so time, and also in my body cam.
how much? Okay, how much time will be paused? How much time will be paused if I ask
for
before?
the DOJ, so time has been
I
stopped.
didn't.
It's in my
Bro,
body cam. It's in my body cam.
what
It's
did
in
I
my
say?
body cam.
What did I say? Okay, take your body out.
Yeah, I'm gonna. There is no need to show it to you. Okay. Now I'm gonna.
Nah, did you do a department to DOJ?
Okay, now I'm gonna
King
search
Cobra,
for you.
King Cobra.
First tell me that did you do a department to DOJ?
Let's do it now.
What the fuck?
Your ID?
Let's do it now.
Ready?
Do it.
We are doing departments for EMS. Okay. Wait.
Nah, DOJ, now DOJ. Bro, what the fuck you do? You guys don't even know how to do processor.
Time has been stopped. You asked for the EMS first. Now.
Easy go. No. Easy go. Now you only do department. Now you go and do a forum.
FIB just told us that there is no DOJ available right now. Okay.
Arey, what no DOJ available? How they know? You have to do department. Then how you can pause my time? First tell me. No. First tell me. Wait.
Department for you.
Okay.
EMS. Okay. Doctors are en route.
No. First tell me that you said I called for DOJ. Okay. So how did you pause my time for DOJ? Can you tell me?
Okay, just tell me, you are on point. You are saying you didn't call the DOJ, and now you are saying you have called the DOJ, and you are not. You are trying to.
No. Okay. Wait. Nah. Hey, listen. I didn't call DOJ first of all. Hey, Sun. First, listen to me. Okay. You're a Leo.
Okay.
Not any some god or something. You have to listen to me first also. Okay. I have been cuffed for 7 minutes been passed. Okay, and second thing, that if you didn't did a department to DOJ, then how you can pause 5 minutes time?
Because we are busy doing the department to EMS. Okay?
It doesn't matter. You cannot. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Now do a department to DOJ.
Your
No.
doctors
I want DOJ.
Your doctor.
I want DOJ too. I want DOJ too. Now I want DOJ too.
Okay. So your time has been passed.
What?
Your doctors are arrived.
Call
for you. Okay.
DOJ too. I want DOJ too. First of all. Drag me.
Why are you coming out of the cell?
Call DOJ.
Stay
Bro,
inside.
medical room.
Come here.
You have to take me there first. Damn.
Come, follow me.
Don't even know the process. Wait. Hey, I'm gonna pray for wizards. Code B.
Come here. Hello? Yes, yes. Can you do a department for
Yeah,
me?
yeah. I don't know.
What?
I know. I am new. This one.
Yeah, can you please do a department for DOJ?
Okay.
Asking government to do department to government. What dumbass. Bro, who made you assistant?
Come on, you are manipulating the situation over here. Just
Telling government guy to do a department to government.
Hello, EMS. Hello, EMS. If 10:15, right? Come here. If 10:15 asks for EMS, so the time has been stopped, right? Am I correct? If 10:15 asks for the EMS, can you hear me? If 10:15, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, can you open the doors?
Brother, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, if like 10:15 asks for the EMS, so the time has been stopped, right? The 10:15, come.
Wait, guys, I'm gonna pray for wizards. Wait.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to uncuff you. Doctors are here. Take your treatment.
डॉक्टर यार हाथ की माचूरी पड़ी है 15 मिनट से कब पूरे कितने 30 मिनट से कब कर रखा है बैंड के रोड़े ने
बहुत बढ़िया. Nice.
तभी understand hey wizards come fast यार please
Hello, lay down in bed.
तलहा डेंटिस्ट wizard
Bro, lie down on the bed. Lie down on the bed. Hello, lie down on the bed.
अबे बहरा हूँ
He's saying he has a cramp. Ask him what he has.
I need HR, how copy?
sorry wait
Hello.
yo hello sir
Yeah, hi Tala, how you doing?
I think I come here. What happened, Monk?
guys my wait my okay I was been getting
Alone. I didn't come here for it. This is the IC issue. I'm not talking with you right now.
Okay.
Wait, what happened? Tell me.
Yeah, Tala. So he abused. First of all, he break the journal rule. He abused my relatives. I have a body cam of that. Okay. Second thing. He asked for the EMS, and can you tell him that if he asked for the EMS, then the time has been stopped.
Yes, it's time stop.
Okay.
There is a no limit for completed 10:50.
Yes,
He can
yes,
arrest
I
you
know.
after 10 hours also.
Yeah.
yes I know
So,
but when
now
okay he's saying that
can you please keep quiet? I'm talking to it. You can do one by one. Okay. And after that, he also requested for the DOJ. Okay. We are humans, so we can do one department at each time, right? So now he's saying he don't want the DOJ, and then he say he wants the DOJ, trying to manipulate the situation. After EMS,
Guys.
so after the EMS thing, I can straight away arrest him, right? Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Sir, but
Okay.
guys, listen.
So
Can you please-
as he said, he wants first of all he wants the DOJ. Now then he denied that he don't want the DOJ. So after EMS, I'm gonna.
If he said I don't want the DOJ, and he can't change his thing, okay? He can change his thing here. If you can change your thing before then come to DOC, but when you come to DOC, you can change your thing, okay?
While reading the Miranda rights, he didn't want the DOJ, but he asked for the EMS help. So EMS is here. Time has been stopped. So after that, I'm I can arrest him properly, right?
Yes, yes.
But listen to me. Okay, when I asked for DOJ, this guy
Any available HR, how copy?
to DOJ, they said then also we have been paused your time for 5 minutes. Okay, they stopped time for 5 minutes.
First, if you call also EMS, first we calling the EMS. It's so simple thing.
Any
After the
available
EMS,
HR, how
he will call
copy?
the OC, I think. Just this. And then Mohit, if you have a POV about he was abusing me, just post the
There's a
forum, okay?
guy
I will
here
check
for
directly.
joining. Can you come
I'm waiting
and
you.
please
Okay?
take the interview?
Tala, thank you for coming. And I also he break the add my family members and abused me, abused my sister.
Yeah, just post forum. Post forum. I will check directly all forums, okay? I'm waiting forums. Bye-bye.
Twice or thrice.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Post forums, I will wait forums.
Thank
You
you
know.
so much. EMS, you can do your work. Then after that, I can process him. Lay on
Why
that.
2 times? I got medical care, bro. Why 2 times?
Show me taking department.
Turn to. Let me take. Turn to. Yes, let me take.
Yeah, please take a department for a DOJ.
For DOJ?
Yeah.
I now?
No, there is no DOJ available. I saw the department last time.
Thank you for informing me.
Therefore. Oh, they did. Alright.
Any how copy?
Okay, please do a department for the
Try.
To DOJ, not to
Any
government.
how copy?
Yeah, please, Sophia, please do that.
Come and take a department.
Just give me a moment.
Yes, doctor. Doctor, yes, doctor. Why are you punching me? It's fine.
Sorry, mistake.
It's fine. Can you patch me? Thank you so much.
Bro, I am proceeding to the SHP HQ. I can't, bro. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Wait. King, wait here. Do not go. Yeah. I cannot hear you,
Yes, pass.
doctor.
Yes, pass.
Is 10:15 is okay? You cured him? I can. Okay. Easy God.
Do code.
Easy God.
I code. Oh my god. 177962.
You have a body cam, right? King, you have a body cam?
Okay, I think
Yes,
that's not the
yes,
correct
Now
department
only.
you
I
did.
came now only.
You have to do the department to DOJ, not to government.
Yeah, but just did to government for no reason.
I will
I don't
ask
know why.
one more.
So you can do